Hi, this is Manoj Yadav and you are watching Mechanotherapy. So guys, today we will discuss some numerical problems related to law of parallelogram of forces. Let's take question number 1. It says two equal forces are acting at a point with 60-degree angle between them. If resultant force is equal to 20 root 3 Newton, find magnitude of each force. So we know the formula for resultant R equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. Here resultant is given as 20 root 3. So R square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. 20 root 3 whole square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 60. Angle between the forces is given as 60 degree. So the equation will be 400 into 3 equal to 2p square plus p square, that is 3p square. So p equal to 20 Newton. So in this way we can find out the resultant of this force. Now let's take question number 2. Resultant of two forces when they act at 60 degree is 14 Newton. If same forces are acting at right angles, their resultant is under root 136 Newton. Calculate the magnitude of forces. So in this question, two conditions are given. One is when the forces are acting at 60 degree and another one is when the angle between them is 90 degree. In both cases, resultant is given. So we can use formula R square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha twice. For first condition, 14 square equal to P square plus 2 plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 60. We get equation P square plus Q square plus PQ equal to 196. Similarly, for second case, 136 equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90. So P square plus Q square equal to 136. Now putting the value of P square plus Q square from equation 2 to equation 1, we get PQ equal to 60, or if we multiply both sides, we will get 2PQ equal to 120. Now adding equation number 2 and 3, we will get P square plus Q square plus 2PQ equal to 136 plus 120, that is 256, or we can say P plus Q whole square equal to 16 square. So we will get P plus Q equal to 16. Similarly, if we subtract equation number 3 from equation number 2, we will get P square plus Q square minus 2PQ equal to 136 minus 120, that is 16. Or we can write P minus Q whole square equal to 4 square. So P minus Q equal to 4. Now adding equation number 4 and equation number 5, we will get 2P equal to 20. So P equal to 10 Newton. If we put this value of P in equation number 4, we will get Q equal to 6 Newton. So in this way we can find out the unknown forces. Let's take question number 3. Resultant of two concurrent forces is 1500 Newton and angle between them is 90 degree. Resultant makes 36 degree with one force. Calculate the forces. We know the two equations, R square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha, and for resultant direction tan theta equal to Q sin alpha upon P plus Q cos alpha. Putting all the values in equation number 1, 1500 square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90. We will get P square plus Q square equal to 1500 square. Similarly, put values in equation number 2, tan theta equal to Q sin alpha upon P plus Q cos alpha. We will get tan 36 equal to Q sin 90 upon P plus Q cos 90. So we will get Q by P, or we can say Q equal to 0.7265 P. Putting this value of Q in equation number 1, we will get P equal to 1213.86 Newton, and in this way we can find out Q also. Q equal to 881.26 Newton. Let's take the last question. Resultant of two forces when they act at right angles is 10 Newton, whereas when they act at 60 degrees root 148 Newton. calculate each force. In this case also we are given two cases or two conditions. So we will apply r square equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha. For case 1, tan square equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 90, or we can say p square plus q square equal to 100. This is equation number 1. Similarly for case 2, 148 equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 60, or we will get p square plus q square plus pq equal to 148. Putting the value of p square plus q square in this equation, we will get 100 plus pq equal to 148, pq equal to 48. If we multiply this equation by 2, we will get 2pq equal to 96. Now, adding equation number 1 and 3, we will get p square plus q square plus 2pq equal to 196, or we will say p plus q whole square equal to 14 square, or p plus q equal to 14. Now if we subtract equation number 3 from equation number 1, we will get p square plus q square minus 2pq equal to 100 minus 96, that is 4, or p minus q whole square equal to 2 square, p minus q equal to 2. Now adding equation number 4 and 5, we will get p equal to 8 Newton and q equal to 6 Newton. So in this way we can solve these type of problems. We have two equations. One is for resultant r equal to root p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha, and another one is for direction of resultant tan theta equal to q sin alpha upon p plus q cos alpha. Putting these all the given values in these two equations, we can find out any unknown quantity in this type of questions. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone.